Those injuries jump up and get these guys every once in a while.
Obviously, when you're playing well, you want to continue to play. It just gives me more drive to work a little bit harder.
After being sidelined since early April by a back injury, Dustin Johnson makes his return at the 2017 Wells Fargo Championship, looking to pick up right where he left off.
Hundreds of tournaments, thousands of shots to reach it. #1 in the world.
With a win at the Genesis Open, Johnson's streak of 10 consecutive seasons with a victory puts him in elite company. He joins Arnold Palmer, Jack Nicklaus, and Tiger Woods as the only 4 players with a win in each of their first 10 seasons on tour.
I got off to a great start. I knew I was playing really well, and just, once I got that first W this year, kind of catapulted, and I've continued that great golf.
Johnson stayed his course with another big WGC victory in Mexico.
And another World Golf Championship.
And en route to his 3rd title in 2017 at the WGC Dell Technologies Match Play, DJ never once trailed in 7 matches, becoming the first player to win in 3 consecutive starts since Rory McIlroy in 2014.
Dustin, he's one of the most impressive players I've ever played with. He's been able to control his length and his speed, and that's going to breed a lot of success.
I had a lot of confidence. I knew I was swinging well, and I want to win, and I want to do well.
His confidence can be seen from tee to green, where Johnson leads the tour in driving distance and greens in regulation percentage, karting only 3 rounds over par this season.
So much firepower in Dustin Johnson's game.
When you hit it 320 yards and you don't miss many fairways, it's tough to shoot a bad round, but he's also gotten dialed in his wedges and his putting.
Everybody talks about the driving, but there's so much more to DJ than meets the eye. He obviously has all the power in the world. He is incredibly resilient and, unwavering confidence and, passion for what he does.
Dustin's stretch of hot play can also be traced back to 2016, when he achieved a major milestone, capturing his first major championship. And he continued his outstanding play on big stages, fashioning a career-best 3 titles in the 2016-17 season.
I've played some really good golf. I really started working a lot harder and been a lot more consistent.
With a trio of victories already this season as well, the reigning Player of the Year shows no signs of slowing down after injury. Looks to become the 3rd player to win in 6 or more consecutive starts.
I believe in my ability, and I know what it takes to win out here. I definitely have the confidence that I need, the confidence that I know that I can get it done.